Christmas Eve outing where we go to run a lot of errands. Right now I'm at my tailor's place, but she's not around. I think she went to the market maybe for Christmas food item shopping or something like that, but she's not around. Her shop is open but the protector is locked. That means she came out today but she's not currently around, so I'm just going to sit here at a nearby shop and wait for her. Yeah. Thank you. I want to relax my hair. Okay, thank you. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. See the hair now, can't you see it? See now, it's reaching my it's reaching my back.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Good morning. I'm trying not to be loud because literally everyone else in this house is still sleeping, but I woke up very early so that I can declutter my wardrobe. You know, I've been doing vlogmas and my wardrobe became a huge mess because of that, and I decided to wake up today and, you know, sort out my clothes. The ones that are no longer my size, I'll set them aside and probably dash them out later, and just generally declutter my wardrobe. Okay, so just stay tuned and watch me do all of that.
You're not moving, guys.
You're not even moving.
How is it possible?
Not talk of slow motion. You're not even moving at all. I just finished decluttering my wardrobe and it was really dusty. That's why my nose is red and I'm having runny nose. But I'm going to try to take you guys along with me through this weekend. So
Perfect.
we're having sardine. Yeah, I don't know why you guys use this flask to mix. I say mix to mix it up, but you guys would have used another plate. But okay, it's alright. They depend on me to put sardine for them, so they will not be greedy with it. Because if you leave them, they will scoop it all on one bread. Take. Ain't nobody boxing anything for your girl, cause no Christmas gift. Guys, I've been sleeping for like 2 hours since I ate, so I need to go and take my bath right now, and I'll see you guys in a little while. Okay.